Edison and his brothers and sisters love to play. They like to dance around and play games. They live in the country of Tanzania, near Lake Victoria. Here, there is plenty of space to run around and have fun. One day, while they were playing, they heard a sound coming from their neighbor's house. They didn't know this neighbor, and they were curious, so they went to see what it was. As they got closer to the house, they could hear singing, and they liked the way it sounded. They wanted to see who was singing. Their neighbor Helen was singing hymns. Helen was glad to see the children. She told them she was singing songs about Jesus, and she was about to read from the Bible. The children listened closely as she told them a story from the Bible. Day after day, the children visited Helen, and eventually, she invited the children to go to church with her. They loved going to church and learning about Jesus. They were happy to see a lot of other kids from their neighborhood in church, too. Today, they continue to worship Jesus every day. Their songs fill the whole neighborhood with joy. They love sharing Him with others. These children are happy to have a friend in Jesus. Please pray for the children in East Central Africa. And thank you for supporting Mission.